Hi everyone, it's Eric,
And Vanessa.
filling in for Sarah. Level 3, the Lindy Project, Lindy Hop, week 4. So the first move we did was the little tuck turn, fade out back to close. It looked like this: rock, step, triple step, 5, 6, triple step. Now different angle. So it's rock, step, triple step, 5, 6, triple step. On that. Next thing we did was the tuck turn, the redirect tuck turn thingy. So it was like rock, step, triple step, 5, 6, triple step, boom. Different angle. It was rock, step, triple step, boom, boom, triple step, boom. And then the last thing we did was the sugar push redirect. Normal sugar push, boom, triple, triple, and do triple step, boom, boom. Different angle. Normal sugar push, do triple, triple, and do 5, boom. I changed the floor there. That's all right. And that was it. See you guys next week. Next month.